కొరికేస్తాడేమో చూడట్రా.
తాత వైర్ కొరికేసాడేమో చూడరా బయట.
Hello viewers, welcome to India Today So South. This is Maruti Acharya.
And I am Sanjay Kodappa.
Yeah, I think we did the intro inside, but you know how was the euphoria inside. So we are here to react to the teaser of Raja Saab. First of all, we usually do a lot of teaser reactions like this, and this. But this time we thought it's a big release and they're releasing it in theaters. So why not with fans in
Right.
theater? React with them, not just us. So it is a different experience. We are trying our level best to give different kind of videos. So like, share
And we are trying our
subscribe.
level best to capture it all, trust
Yeah,
me.
that is also there. So yeah, like, share and subscribe definitely.
Yes.
And
The film is releasing on December 5th.
yes,
This video is releasing today.
Raja
Along with this, there'll be a teaser review of the film, of the trailer of Kannappa,
Yeah.
as well as the trailer
Kubera.
of Kubera. Both of them will be on the channel. Do make sure to check them out as well.
Yeah, now without any delay, let's get to the reaction.
చెప్పు చేసిన పాపమేమి
నేరంలో పడవాలంటే డిగ్నిఫైడ్ ఎలా చెప్తాను.
చచ్చే వరకు చేయటం వెళ్ళాల్సిన మెటీరియల్స్
जगन्नाथ प्रभु क्या हो रहा है?
क्या हो रहा है?
తాత వైర్ కొరికేసాడేమో చూడరా బయట.
What just happened?
Bro! I thought because it is Prabhas, they'll dial down the horror comedy element, but feels like. How was the teaser?
సూపర్ ఉంది బ్రో ఎక్సలెంట్ గా ఉంది
His timing, and the Prabhas look, and the timing sense, the horror moment, and vintage Prabhas is back! We saw this Prabhas 10 years back, again now we are seeing that vintage Prabhas!
సూపర్ ఉంది. డిసెంబర్ 5th స్క్రీన్లు పగులుతాయి.
Well, that was our reaction for the teaser of the Raja Saab.
Yeah, should we get into the analysis or was it self-explanatory? No, we will get into the explanation. So, firstly, considering my expectations, considering the delay, considering lot of aspects, I think this was a really good teaser.
It was
I
a
must
pleasant
say. It was a
surprise.
pleasant surprise. So, the elements that worked for me, Sanjay. First, I'll get to the dragon, but first, visual effects. I was really skeptical considering the delays that they were going. I was also curious about how much of VFX are being used. It's taking so much time, no, what all. But yeah, it is a VFX heavy film. At least the teaser makes it. There's a crocodile fight that I heard of, and then a lot of things. So VFX work, at least with the teaser, it really looks good, and we watched it on big screen. So it is definitely not jarring. I really like the VFX work.
Yeah, I also see. A way to put it is all the skepticism surrounding the film actually turned out to be its boon.
Correct.
Because people the fans especially, I've heard people
Yeah.
saying, oh, I was really worried about this. But at the end of the day, when they delivered the
Correct.
teaser, it ended up being a pleasant surprise because everybody managed their expectations. And this is so much more than what one would expect, given everything that is happening around the film.
Yes.
So that itself was the first thing that was a boon. Also, like you said, the visual effects is really good.
Yeah.
And you can see the Prabhas budget
Yeah.
being used properly.
Correct.
It's not a shabby thing, and you know, with just Prabhas taking
Yes.
all the money from the producer,
Yeah.
the major chunk of the budget going for his remuneration, you can see that the Prabhas budget is also in the film.
Correct.
And that is the good thing about this.
Yeah.
Bold thing to say, but if Bhool Bhulaiya 2, 3 is okay, this has to be really, really great.
I think so. Because for me, another skepticism from the announcement itself, will they dumb down the nature of horror comedy because it is Prabhas? Because we have seen Prabhas as this big pan-India action star in a really long while. I am genuinely happy, trust me, Prabhas, kudos for first of all selecting a script like this. Not a lot of people are experimenting. You might diss Prabhas, you might make comments, but I am telling you, brilliant choice for making this. So I had the skepticism in my head whether they'll dumb down the horror comedy elements. Again, I was expecting a little more jump scares, but the horror comedy balance is definitely there in the teaser. I'm impressed with that also.
See, I was very happy to see Prabhas all smiling
Yeah.
and laughing because, yeah, we had Kalki where he had this quirky attitude and all of it, but the film was not that. So
Correct.
it is not the kind of setting where you would enjoy it.
Yeah.
It's just a character. Here, Prabhas is out and out a darling.
Yeah.
Right. So that is the best part about this trailer for me. It feels so nice to see the big stars not brooding.
Correct.
Like I said, that fatigue is kind of setting in where,
Yeah.
you know, action,
Very
brooding,
serious,
serious, always the eyebrows is like this. But then here he was happy all the time. He was cracking jokes. He was wooing all the heroines. All of that was really fun to watch and really refreshing to watch. So that is the best part of the trailer for me.
Absolutely, hands down, for all the pan-India audience who has seen Prabhas this way. And a lot of people asked me, why do you celebrate Prabhas so much? Why do you enjoy Prabhas so much? I think Raja Saab is going to be answer for that because this light-hearted, fun, quirky presentation is also there in Prabhas. And that last dialogue about Tata cutting wire one was hilarious. I am telling you, hilarious. It just gave me flashbacks of the Prabhas that I grew up watching. I thoroughly enjoyed. All Darling fans, all Rebel fans, whatever you call yourself now, we are having a good experience. At least I expect that from the
Yes,
movie.
yes.
Now let's get to the points which
yeah.
are skeptical,
The
which I am
happy
skeptical about.
honeymoon period is done.
Yeah.
Let's get to the brass knuckles.
Yeah, so first, I think the template still looks old school.
It is.
Because it is 2025, horror comedies are working, we understand all of that. But that classic template Maruti film, nothing new or innovative. See, VFX is there are a lot of elements, but in terms of filmmaking standpoint, it
The
still looks
story and
generic.
screenplay seems very generic.
Yeah, the
Seems-
scenes also, scene ideation is
Yeah,
also a little...
it just seems like all the scenes, the whole screenplay basically is the classic template. You can see all the characters they've involved
Yeah.
there. It's just all the Aptamitra,
Correct.
Chandramukhi, all of those template. I
Correct.
feel like I just watched the same thing again.
Correct.
The comedy elements, the comic characters aside,
Correct.
they're just running behind Prabhas
Yeah.
and then cracking jokes.
Yeah.
All of that, so it makes it seem like a very templated story is going to be presented on the big screen. Apart from all the technicalities aside, it seems like, okay, what is new? Are we going to see something new? I think addition of something like that, if there is
Yeah.
that in the film, in this teaser would have added so much more to it.
Correct.
Because as it is, there's a lot of things going on, right? So
Yeah.
it's not just the technical, it would have been a home run if they
Yeah,
had
yeah.
added what is the unique element of this film.
Agreed. And the second thing is, again, not to compare any movie, every movie is different, but if you take Chandramukhi, for example, or Aptamitra, right? No matter how, see, Vishnuvardhan when he did it in Kannada or Rajnikant when he did it in Tamil, all of these are big stars. But the whole point is, they are not doing the heavy lifting. There is a very impactful story, and all the comedians who worked, all the comedic portions. If I take Chandramukhi, Vadivelu, Nazar, all the portions, Prabhu, Jyotika, everything works. But with the teaser, I am a little scared that there's a lot of weight on Prabhas to pull.
Yeah, because the other
Saptagiri, other characters look very generic and
Very
they didn't get any-
caricaturish they look.
Exactly. Again, template Maruti comedy only. So I was expecting some difference and change in evolution. Because again, with Prabhas, in the last shot also when he's running Durga Mata, see, it is funny, it is convincing, but it'll be too much burden on Prabhas and
Yeah,
it'll not feel
yeah.
wholesome. When you think of it on a larger perspective, that's another thing I'm skeptical about.
See, the beauty about comedy characters in a film is if they are integrated into the film, they are actual characters in the story.
Correct.
They're not just there for the sake of it. They're not just an element. They are a part of the story. So if that is the case with this film, then it is good. If they are just added for the sake of having more characters on screen, then it will be a bummer.
Yeah. So hopefully, movie, just like how this teaser turned a lot of our imaginations and expectations around, hopefully the movie also does it.
Yes.
What do you think about the teaser? Did you like it? What are your expectations? Do you find something interesting in the teaser which we didn't notice because we were watching in theater with fans, so some details we might have missed,
Yeah.
which we will watch it and maybe we can do another video also. But if you find something interesting, everything about our new experiment, you want more videos like this, please do mention that also in the comments below.
With that, I am Sanjay Ponnappa
And this is Maruti Acharya,
and you're watching India Today.
So South.